It's okay, Sam. I was corrected by my friend. Why would I say free-ranged when the rabbit is enclosed in a cage? But I've always wanted to, what I meant was, whenever I say free-range, I mean it's ranged. It's on the ground and it's hopping. It's able to hop about in a spacious place. Yeah. Diyan siya nakalabas, ano? She's trying to eat. She's hungry. Let her be.
Ma, natalon siya dito.
Yeah. Tumalon siya, no?
Malatas.
Miss? No.
Miss, no. This
It's
is
a
not
rabbit.
food.
It's not your food. This is a rabbit.
Stay there.
Excuse the barong-barong. I've been trying to cover up because I know that it's hot since it's metal sheet. So, tinakpan ko kung ano yung available around to keep her cool. So, one of the reason why we opted for ranging the rabbits is to know what kind of leaves do they eat and how will it eat and affect them. Miss? No. No. Ayan, a-attack na siya. Ganyan kasi yung kulay nung daga na nando doon sa may kubo. So, as you can see, she's foraging on... What's that? Ah, okay. Parang kangkong yata to eh. Parang kangkong na hindi lumalaki. This one. So, that's another variety of vines that the rabbits can eat. Kasi ito, I know that they eat. And yung mga pa-heart shape na vines, they eat. No! No! Miss! And then this one, yung vine na yan, that's the one they love eating. Also, I haven't given the flower, but the vines, the leaves, they really eat. So this is our mini Rex rabbit. Ang hindi lang maganda sa kanila on a slopey place like this, madali silang madapa at madali silang mapilay. So it's really not a safe thing. Miss, not a rabbit. My Siamese cat is hiding on the bush playing tiger. Ito naman ay prey. Na walang kamalay-malay, just eating. Careful, anak, ha. There are corners in the the cage. This one. Baka masugat-sugat ka, and watch her step in there.
Okay.
So we'll try to secure the cat and the rabbit. Ready to pounce na yung aking pusa, oh. No, 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 anak ko. Baba ka dyan, please. It's not safe. That's why mommy's not going up, oh. I don't move kasi I might fall. This is... Miss! No! Where is it? No? No, miss. Shh! No. No. Sabi niya, what? But it's a rat. Don't you see? I catch things like this every day for your owl. Bait. Yeah? Yeah? Teresa! Good morning.
Mommy's ordered out here.
Yeah.
Teresa.
Teresa! Achoo, excuse my dirty toes. Daddy's here na, so baba na ako. Jesus. Teresa! Ito po. Yeah, the red one. Yeah. The other one pa. It's okay. Let's maybe we'll fry fish today. Tilapia.
I got it.
Yep. Alright. Ang daming bulaklak ng talong.
Oh, that?
I wonder if that's okay. Hindi ko na siya pinag-aksayahang i-prune at i-tayo para mabigyan niya ng shade yung turmeric. No, this is ginger pala.
Gingerbread.
Yeah.
Ma, can I use this?
Okay, Sam wanted to harvest. Pwede na nga. These are our naturally grown talong. No insecticide. No commercial fertilizer.
Ma, ito pwede. Ma, pwede ito.
Dami niyang langgam.
Ma, ito pwede.
Where up, honey?
Ito.
Yeah, pwede na yan.
Sobra.
Iikot mo ha.
Okay.
Ay, ang daming langgam. Wait. Let's get scissors. Huwag mo masyadong anuhin kasi ma-stress yung plant natin. Okay? Ang dami. Nakakatuwa naman. Ito, hindi namin laging na didiligan. But, isang, na siya. This is just from one tree. And, I'm not sure if Daddy was the one who transplanted these. But,
Ma, I see a big one.
yeah. So, we'll probably, alam na ng viewers kung ano yung ating ulam. Tortang talong at isda. Kamatis. Sir Mike Oranyo is asking for the video and details. This is our, wait, move back ako ng bahagya. This is our Hyla Optima female with the as you can see, with the julep. See the difference of the ears. And then, of course, our favorite standard Rex. And this is the other one for him, the PS100. And ito yung isa. The other PS100. Excuse the mess. I haven't been able to... Yan. This one. All breeder age. Junior age. And are you the one? No, you're from Indo. This is from for Sir KY. Ito. Yan. So that's the one for him. And oops, excuse some subo. So quick magulong tour sa farm. So this is where I operate the office-an. Okay, here. Alright, here's Gunting Samsam. In the forest. In a place where everything is far out. You learn to be able to adapt and grow in a place where there's not much abundance. And what's thrilling about it is you are able to know your potential in growing abundance, in growing where you are planted. So this is the fish that we were able to grow. Ang dami. So these are the black blue. Matutuwa yung aking mentor na si Mac Brian Ustari for being able to propagate in yan. And then yung mga styrobox which were meant for the hydroponics, I used for the fish muna. The guppies are there. And then the betas are here. So, yung mga fish na hindi kailangan ng motor dahil very limited yung aming source of solar power, nandito sila. So, the guppies and the mollies, the Mickey Mouse are here. Also, guppy pala. So, yan. We'd have to collect from the spring water, the blue ones, and yung bilog na containers are for the animals. So, that's pumped up from the So, this is the logo, and then my kubo, and then the rabbits are here. We put them down from the warehouse so we would be able to have easy access on them, especially medyo masyadong kailangan gawain. So 2 more. The German giant is here. Yan, the one that Sir Mike is asking. And then, that's for Sir Leonard, waiting to be delivered. Yan. And then Sam's rabbits. May sipon si Lolo eh. So these are the rabbits for the rabbit encounter. So we'll just have them all here so that people who have zero knowledge or little knowledge about rabbit racing would have an idea that, oh, this is the Holland Lop and that is the Chinchilla. Hindi ko pa kasi na-organize. And then the German and the Collie. And then the Transimix. And the Holland pair, we were trying to mate. Oops, yung si Ramang may sakit. May sakit siya. And this is the other pair of the PS100. Mahaba, malaki ang tenga. And then, ito yung kanyang female, ito yung kanyang male. Yan. Makasaysayan ng tenga. And then, the lion head pair. Yan. And the other rabbits waiting for, one moment. So this is still the lion head, and this is female Californian lihim, and the lion head na niniwan namin produce nila, and my project rabbit, the gray one, and the indoor rabbit for Sir KY. So tigas. Malapit ka na matapos eh. One moment, Samaria.
Okay.
Baliktad tayo. Ako yung may maliit na scissors.
I got your video.
Yep. Careful you have scissors with you. Ang galing, maliit pa lang siya. It's a knee-high talong but it already flowered. Very good. I still don't know how to prune a talong, but most definitely you'd have to, wow, yung kanyang crate of fruit crates have, yeah. I'm not sure if I could do this really, but the idea of course is, one moment, if you are naming langgam, in learning about vegetable gardening, if well, naturally talagang I think may mga nilalanggam talagang mga may mga nilalanggam talagang mga crops, but kung sobrang dami, it indicates that your soil is your plant is dry kasi is needing water. So be careful ha.
Okay.
So let's take that out.
Ma, can I help you?
Sure, you're helping me right now.
Ito.
I'm not sure. Be careful ha kasi may mga ano oh.
Flowers.
Yeah, not the flower but your toes. May hindi maayos pa si maming mga stuff, baka masugatan ka.
Ito.
Wag yan kasi cover niya dun eh. Ito yung mga ganito yung sobrang kinagat na. Ayan oh.
Okay.
Yan. And then maybe we can get this. Nag-overlap na sila.
You right now.
You are. So, can you catch this na lang? I'll cut it. O, dahan-dahan, madao. Madaming langgam, anak.
No.
Actually, lalaki pa to eh. Pero malaki na yung ulo niya. Wait lang, Sam.
Nothing. Yun.
Yep.
Ma, go. Papa. And you love that snow? That's.
Inaawat niya nga si Missy kasi pumupunta yata sa ano eh. Paano ba ito? Pwede ba natin lagyan ng trellis tong ano? Kasi pag nakababa hindi maganda. Okay, sabi ni Daddy dapat daw itayo yung talong. So, kailangan maayos.
No!
Yeah, I try to do that, but sasagot pa eh. Tungkuran nga eh.
Madala ko.
Yeah. Yeah, the quality of the talong you will know because it's glossy and shiny. So the health is based on that. And just in case this won't be good enough for us to eat, then it'll be good enough for the black soldier fly.
You are...
No, the vermicast and the, what's it called? The mealworm. So Paris is growing mealworm and yeah. So the mealworm, I give it this and it ate it. It ate it. Ah, okay. Yun no, gumanon na siya.
Late.
Okay, kailangan tungkuran natin.
Layo.
Hindi na din siya masyadong happy sa nangyayari sa kanya. Hindi siya, yung nakadikit sa soil, medyo, na, pero yung nasa taas, glossy.
Late.
Yeah. Yan.
Mayroon.
Yeah, I can see it from here so much. Ah, yeah, those are the ones that I cut na.
One.
Yan.
No, wait.
For some reason, talong is the one that I am able to grow, and this is my favorite.
Six.
This is my favorite vegetable. One of my favorite vegetable I enjoy
My
eating.
7.
I eat all sorts of all vegetables, but this is the one I enjoy eating.
7.
So, Sam and I will be busy growing this. The weather is fine. I think may ulan somewhere. Yung aming mulberry, hindi pa rin namin na-amend. Smile! Ganda. Ang ganda ng aking sakadora.
Ato hindi.
Cut natin yan. Cut natin yon. Yeah? Alright. Oy, may flower na din yung kakawate natin.
Saan?
I call the kakawate plant the cherry blossom of the Philippines. Because it has a very nice flower. Ang daming langgam. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed Sam's vegetable collection today. Say goodbye, Sam.